In the shared environment, you have security. You with SSL certificate, domain name and more before the production. You can use this for development testing in environment with feature like this. So you can see, you can develop an application and you can check with this. In this, designed for application with lower traffic. This is for lower traffic requirement, host unlimited website and domains and include built-in network for load balancing support. This is having a built-in network for load balancing, and also this is having a use for lower traffic. This is for test and development. You make an application and you can check without, this is for testing purpose. Your application you cannot put directly into the production. So you have developed your application, and you after developing application, once you put into this, you can test it out. This is host up to 10 application in shared environment. Application directly can be put up into environment and you can access it from there. Here you can test it and you can check it before putting into the production. And this is an application which is after this sharing, you will find if it is working fine, then you will see that the application is heavy traffic based or it is lower traffic based. Like if it is a government based application, it will be having a higher traffic chances are there. Or if it is a school, college, then the chances are there it is a high traffic generating website, so that you cannot put it here. And if it is a lower traffic, like insurance company or some simple marketing site or marketing company, maybe may not be. So you can use this application, this services for this type of application. Your low traffic business application you can put into this full calculator. So what you can see here are the applications, right? The low traffic application, web-based application, which is having a lower traffic, where very few people are actually coming and accessing your website. These type of application will be, you can put up on this application services, basic application services. Shared testing one, free one, it is a very low, low traffic, and it is actually just a free, means it is free. So there will be nothing, no features, but you can have it and access it from anywhere. And the standard one is the one which is production application. It is used in production. The application which you wanted to use it in production, right? It has got unlimited website. You can have unlimited website per domain, and built-in network load balancing, auto scale, backup support, every facilities are there. Application, if it is required more resources, automatically scale and it will break. Backup will be also taken in this automatically. Load balancing will be done automatically. So these are the other features. The premium. And a premium, what happens? In a premium, you will find a premium connectors are there. Using these connectors, BizTalk integration capability for building truly enterprise grade application connected to your key business system. You can develop an application or you can integrate your application with cross application like mainframe based computer or super based computer. Their application is there. So you can connect your application into that and you can have the integration functions. So this is just a premium edition is this. Okay, so just now I have explained you the pricing of services which is offered by Microsoft Azure. You know what type of services is offered by Microsoft, and I will be just telling you. So this is how the services offered by Microsoft. These application services, virtual machine, mobile services, cloud services, data management services. These application services and mobile services, which I have told you how you can develop and you can work on this. The cloud services, manageable services. Data management, it is data management, and this is how once you are trying to develop an application, this portal you see as a development application. You're trying to develop that. If you are trying to put a workload on this, you have to see this. Suppose you have on premise, you have 6 machines, right? So you can select the machines from here and you can put this. Then if you have some web-based tool, or you have you have virtual machine, you have database server, you have mobile application services, you have some other application services, that is nothing but your web-based application, or so in a virtual machine, what you can load it, your on-premise application, which doesn't easily get integrated with the cloud, so that where you can put this into this virtual machine. This is a direct web application from your on-premise, you can put into this, and this is the machine where you can put application from your on-premise into this. This is a migration of workload, or the this thing from their machines to this workload of your on-premise workload, you are moving on this. This is your data management. This is exactly the data, how it is you are putting into Azure. So this is one of the things. So you find the fee pricing. I'll just show you now. We will be going to one by one, slowly. This is why this is very important to you, because what is Microsoft Azure is, it is a consist of various services. Now we'll see this services. Okay, this is exactly how the practical side of this is how you can log in. Now this is providing you three type of services: IaaS, PaaS, and software as a services, which I have already shown you. This is PaaS, this is PaaS, this is IaaS, and this is also PaaS, and this is a data management services. All these things you will be finding here. Right. Now, so this is pricing in case if you wanted to move an application you have in your on-premise, or you wanted to develop a new application which you wanted to, if you wanted to create a new application which should be available from anywhere, anytime, any device, like Android mobile or iOS or Android, tablet PC, anything. So you can use this platform to develop that type of application which will be accessible from that, or you can take your existing application and you can move it into Microsoft Azure. What advantage you will be getting in this? The main advantage what you will be getting in this is, what advantage you are getting by moving existing application on-premise to the Azure. You will be getting the one of the basis major advantage you will be getting, that your application will be available, it will become a scalable, so there will be no crashing of your application. One thing, scalability with the auto scalability features, with the auto high availability features. Even if your machine, the server on which it is running, if it has got crashed, no problem, you will be finding the replicated, this is having a multiple geographical replication of your server, so from there exactly the server will be available and you don't have to lose the data exactly. Plus it is also taking the backup of your storage, your data, that is also across the geographical location or in your local area machine, your local place, exactly in a single data center in your zone or in your region. So if you have in a region 3 places it takes the backup of your data, and in zone also it takes 6 places, total 6 places, and 3 in your premise and 3 other site it is taking, and it is keeping all this information. So your application will be highly, it will be scalable, it will be highly available, and you will be getting 99.9% of support from Microsoft for support, making your application highly available, right? If any chance by 99.95% the Microsoft is giving you SLA for your application to be running without any problem. And beside this, you don't have to purchase or don't have to maintain the hardware infrastructure. Why? Because all the infrastructure which is you are purchasing from here, it is available in cloud. So you are just, whatever you are purchasing, you are paying for that monthly, right? It is not year, hourly basis. Hourly basis you are paying the money for whatever components you are using. In case if you application requires more, automatically auto scalability features will be helping them out. Web application or any application in this, automatically it will be providing that. In this, any local application versus not the 100% compatible with the Microsoft Azure, that can be run from here. Mobile services, mobile application can be developed in a certain way, and all those things are there. So this is basically the pricing, or this is the what Microsoft Azure is offering.